My name is Joe Wilds. I'm the technical lead here at Firecracker Works. Part of the role is to develop material knowledge and understanding in the team. So I decided to send Rob and Taylor to the Surface Design Show in London earlier this week. Let's see how they got on.
So I'm Rob, I'm one of the technical designers here at Firecracker Works, and yesterday myself and Taylor went to the Surface Design Show at the Business Design Centre in Islington, where they were exhibiting all sorts of different surfaces, from timber through plastics, plasters, metals and all sorts of things. So we went there to try and find some new suppliers. One of the highlights from the exhibition was a talk from the guys at the Good Plastics company. They were talking about the scalability of sustainable materials, specifically plastics, and some of the barriers that we face in our industries, trying to bring plastics into a more eco-friendly platform. So that was very interesting and learned a lot from that. The push for sustainability across the board from a lot of the exhibitors was something that was really interesting for us. It's really difficult in our industry to be sustainable, so it's great to see companies approaching it in different ways, and it's something that we hope that we can take forward in reducing our impact on the environment, as well as being able to offer our clients something more sustainable and something a little bit different to what we normally do. So something that I hadn't seen before was a paint that essentially absorbs CO2 as it dries. So that's something that I would be interested in looking more into to see if we can use here to offset our footprint a little bit. So what we have here is a load of different swatches from Polygood, who are a company that make recycled, 100% recycled and 100% recyclable plastic products and sheets. So they're often a decorative product, but we'd like to see if we can utilise them in other instances too, maybe for construction. And this is the paint that I was talking about. So it uses limestone mixed with graphene, and what the limestone does is that absorbs the CO2 as it dries, whilst the graphene also helps make it a durable paint as well, so it has many use cases, which could be helpful for us. There was a nice sort of metal manufacturing company there that did a lot of different surface finishes, whether it be powder coating, anodizing, PVD, and some other things like that. So they have this nice chainmail, which I hadn't seen before, which is good, and you can make all sorts of different designs with that, drapes and curtains and all sorts. And then they just had some samples of their meshes that they do in their different finishes, which was really nice to see.